So hi, I'm Paul. You can see we're using a hardwood here today. We're using Quila. Now, like all hardwoods, it's prone to splitting. It's just an inherent fact of wood splits. I can demonstrate that to you quite easily. I probably don't need to. Everybody knows that. Just take a traditional nail and hammer, a piece of hardwood. I'm just going to drive it in here and just see what happens. So if you're going to lay it, you're going to have to pre-drill if you're going to use nails. The Sharkstooth system come up with something a novel approach is to get over the splitting problem. What we're going to do is we're going to route a small slot to the side of the decking board just where it's crossing the joist. And this removes enough material so the Sharkstooth can penetrate without causing any splitting, even on the ends. So I'll show you how that's done. We have a router here with a slot cutter set into it, and it's set so you've got a 10mm gap from the bottom of the board. Don't measure from the top, it's from the bottom, because that's the consistent spacing that we need for the Sharkstooth. Now, this particular blade has been set up so that it's cutting about a 4 to 4.5mm depth of slot. The thickness of the cut is 1.5mm. It's a very quick and easy process. It's quicker than drilling. Let me show you how it's done. And you'll note that it's easily done with 2 boards, balances the router up quite nicely, so we do 2 boards at a time, so we move into 1 board, across to the other. So we've done that side. We can simply lay these down again. We can pick this board up, we can move it over to here. These are unslotted, so I can now slot on this side. Okay, so we're ready to install our Sharkstooth. We are using Quila, it's a hardwood. Here's our slot. We've pre-slotted the hardwood so that we can guide our fastener in there so it won't split. So we just bring our fastener up. Now what we make sure that we do is the shoulder sitting on the joist. Make sure that shoulder sits underneath the decking board. That creates our ventilation gap. And the driving tool just sits in here like this. It slides over there. We simply drive it into the side of the board. There's a slotted board. It's very simple now. It's just a matter of bringing that onto the joist, onto the Sharkstooth, and we're ready to drive that board home.